In the previous video, you saw how to publish process to control room. Now in this video, we'll discuss about how to run or stop the process from the control room. So here you can see, I want to run this process and I have already published this process to the control room. Now to run this process, I need one robot, or you can say one resource where I can drag and drop and I can run that. It means I need one digital workers. So whenever you will set up your Blue Prism account, your Blue Prism you will install in your system, by default one resource will be added to your Blue Prism as your computer name. So my computer name is this, so this is my resource, and you can say this is the digital worker or this is robot. So I need to run using this resource. We'll have multiple resources also here. So if I want to run my process on a specific this, so I need to first find out my process, click here and drag and drop to the specific resource. So I want to run on this resource, on this machine, so I will drag and drop here. Once you drag and drop here, one session will be created and session number you can see here. Now session number is 1086. This is your session ID. So one session ID will be created. If you'll take one more time, so you'll see here Pandey is too busy to run that process. Basically Pandey is that machine name. So it shows that this machine is already busy. It has already one session assigned and this process is already in queue. So if you want to assign one more, you have to complete, or otherwise you will not able to assign. But yes, you can assign to other resources if you have. So here we have the session. Now to run this session, click on that, select that session. So here it's showing status pending, and then click on a start selected session. It means we are going to run this selected session. Or the other option is right click on this and click a start. So we have two options. You can click from here and you can click here. And now you'll see it will show you the message that is a status that is running, and now you can see it has started running that, logged in successful, and it is going to read the Excel, but I believe we have the Excel that is different file name, so after some time it will throw an error, but that will complete successfully. So here you can see it is showing completed, but there is an error here. If you want to run this process, the other option, if you want to run using only this resource, then just drag and drop to this specific process, and you can see now this process has been selected and the session number is increased now, that is 1087. And now again you can start, or you can click here. So again it will start processing this process, and again after some time it will throw an error, because we know that we have changed the file name to see that retry mechanism exception. And also you can see the resources that was showing working, and now it is showing idle, because now it has been completed, and now you can assign one more process to this one. So you will able to run a process only if your resource is available, otherwise you will not able to run that. Here also in the resource you need to also take care of this. If it is showing yes connected, then only you can run your process through this resource. And also if it is showing here idle, if it is showing working or busy or something, then you will not able to run any process through this one. So there are some things that you need to take care of this. Once you will start working on Blue Prism process using this control room, you will understand everything here. As you know that while starting the process, if your process has input parameters set up, then while running this process you need to pass that parameter. So on the once you'll drag and drop here, once you'll start, then you will get one pop-up and you need to enter those parameters, input parameters, and then once you'll press OK, then that parameter will be passed to that process. Now how can we stop the process? So let me run this again. Click on a start. So by this we will be able to run that. Now this has some error, so I want to stop that. So you can click on a stop here. Stop selected. Select and stop, right? And you can see here now we are getting a status that is stopped. And if we'll double click on this, and you can see process stopped by user admin from the resource Pandey. It means from this resource I have stopped this process. So you can start and stop from here. In the next video we'll discuss about session logs.